Hello student, today is the first class of this academic session and also today I will discuss your social science subject. There have the 4 subject also have one subject added in this year. So today I will discuss from social science geography first chapter. The chapter name India's size and location already I have written. So before the starting of that chapter, some basic concept you have to clear. So this one, the two term latitude and longitude. What is latitude, what is longitude? It is most important to understand or to find some place in our earth. So this latitude and longitude both are imaginary line. So in this globe you can understand what is latitude, what is longitude. The latitudes are those imaginary line running from east to west. So this is the latitude. And also another one, some imaginary line which is running from north pole to south pole, it is called longitude. So with the help of latitude and longitude, we can understand the India's actual location. So when you will read India's location, you have to remind the latitudinal extension and longitudinal extension of our country. The latitudinal extension, India's latitudinal extension 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. In this map, there are also 8 degree 4 minute north latitude to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. It is the latitudinal extension of India. And longitudinal extension 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. This is the longitudinal extension of India. So this latitude and longitudinal extension you will remind, very important. So you can understand this 8 degree 4 minute north, that means it is the southern part of the country, and 37 degree 6 minute north, it is the northern part of the country. And also another one, 68 degree 7 minute east is the western part in Gujarat, and 97 degree 25 minute it is in Arunachal Pradesh. So this is the total location or latitudinal extension and longitudinal extension of our country. And also one most important imaginary latitudes or imaginary line 23.5 degree north, it is called Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, which is passed through in the middle portion of our country, which is divided our country into equal half. So this is the important information. Then India's size. India's size, the total area is 3.28 million square kilometer, which is also acquired the total all over world place 2.4%. So India's area also very important, 3.28 million square kilometer, which is acquired 2.4% all over the total land surface in India, in the world. Now India's latitude, mainland boundary and coastal boundary, now we will discuss. From Gujarat to total northern boundary up to that portion, the total length of Indian land boundary is 15,200 kilometer, which is 15,200 kilometer is India's total land boundary by mainland boundary, and the coastal boundary including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep, 2 islands also have, which is including in India. It is including 7,516.6 kilometer. So this is the land boundary, and another one 7,006.6 kilometer, it is the coastal boundary. So automatically you can see that the 7,516.6 km India coastal line. So this India have a long coastal line which have a great importance. What are the importance? That I will discuss. Then in your book also have a bar diagram, bar graph. According to the area, India is the 7th largest country all over the world. The first one is Russia, then Canada, then USA. The first Russia, second Canada, and third USA. And India is the 7th largest country all over the world. And also, if you will see, India's land boundary is extended, by Indian total land surface is extended east to west, that means from Gujarat Porbandar to Arunachal Pradesh. This is 2,933 km, whereas from north to south, this length from north to south, the total this boundary, but this length is 3,214 km. This is the information, and from that information you can understand India is wider north to south rather than east to west. Now also another information also have, you know that India have 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. It is a longitudinal extension. Among them, 82 degree 30 minute east, which is passed through the middle part of the country and which is considered our local time. The India's local time is considered from 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, and also all over the country also follow that IST by Indian Standard Time. Now another one also have India. Now we will discuss what is the advantage of India's location. If you see the world map, have in your book this world map, page number 4. So you can understand that India can easily communicate through the western coast, Africa and European countries, and through eastern coast there have so many ports. Through that port, East Asian country or Southeast Asian country will communicate through from India, and which is help for the trading purpose. It is the advantage of India's location, as well as India have a long coastline. This is the importance. Through the coastal plain, through the coastline, there have so many ports, and through that port, India communicate to the another country. Okay, and which is help for the economic development of our country. We can export and import so many goods with the another countries through sea port or through waterways. After that, another topic, India, some neighboring countries also have. India have so many neighboring countries. From the map you can also understand. The first of all, the Pakistan, Afghanistan is situated northwestern part and northern part. Then China also have, Nepal, then Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. These country, neighboring countries share their land boundary with India. But another two island neighboring country also have. One is Sri Lanka, another one is Maldives. These two island neighboring countries are also situated in the southern part of the country. So this is the overall India's location as well as India's size. Now we will discuss that some question also have in your book, why 82 degree 30 minute east has been selected as the standard meridian of India. I have told that this 82 degree 30 minute east is the middle longitude of our country. If we will follow the country's local time in a different state, then also create some problems. That's why we will consider the one meridian which is situated in the middle part of the country in Uttar Pradesh near Mirzapur. This 82 degree 30 minute east longitude pass through, and which is also considered the local time of India. And also this we also 5 hours 30 minutes ahead from GMT. GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. The Greenwich Mean Time, they are also considered as a 0 degree longitude. From there, India's time 5 hours 30 minutes ahead. This is the important information. And also you will read the different type of, also you will see there are so many maps, like world map also have in that chapter, and also India physical map, Indian political map also have. And now present day also, you know, there are 28 state and 8 union territories. Also newly union territories was also then Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, you know that. So this is the information you will read in your home, and this is the total first chapter. Thank you, and next day we will discuss the next chapter.